Nagaland Police first mob control truck designed by PHQMT. Equipped with hydraulic barricades, injectors to spray identification colors in a 180-degree arc, and has other inbuilt system for effective crowd control. It is also equipped with bulletproof windshield and windows for added protection of the security personnel manning the truck. The vehicle can be adapted to function as a quick response team and can carry a section of armed Jawans. With the hydraulic barricade fully extended, the vehicle can also quickly deployed as an effective barricade spanning about 25 feet during emergencies.